Hi guys, how are you today? So today pag-usapan natin kung paano i-access yung tinatawag natin at our pattern scanner. So you go to home if you are using desktop or laptop, but if you're using computer, cell phone, meron siyang home na maliit dito, home. And then go to Forex and then click Manara. And then dito naman, if you are new, you need to set your pin here. Okay? Put your 6-digit pin and then reset now. But for me, I already set my pin. So I'll just go directly here and access Manara now. So it will bring you to another browser. Wait, I need to put my pin. Alright, so it's opening now. And then as you can see, wait, para makita lahat. Alright, ito. Okay, as you can see here, we are now on the pattern. So just to give you some ideas kung paano ito gamitin, let's say for example, if you're trading Euro USD, right here, Euro USD. And then it shows, let's say for example, let's go for 1 hour. So it scans here, daming pero ito yung nasa taas, that means ito yung pinaka-updated. So close natin ito, then ito yung pinaka-updated talaga. So kita natin yung confirmation dito, mayroon siyang sell signal sa 1 hour. Pero baka iba sa 30 minutes. So, titingnan natin sa 30 minutes. Sa 30 minutes naman, meron siyang sell signal din. Ito. And then, sa sa 15 minutes naman, alright. It's different. So, iba-iba. Mayroon sell. Kasi depende sa time frame. So, let's say, for example, you go for buy muna before mag-sell. So, ito yung, ito yung structure niya. So, kung gusto nyo makita yung entry na suggestion niya, so, click nyo lang. So, here you can see the gray is the entry. So, you wait for the candle or the price na makarating dito. Ito yung stop loss niya, ito yung target 1 and up target 2. Alright? Now, if you're looking for something na you want to set anything, just go to monitor here, and then let's set here. This one is incomplete, so mature. Okay, mature. So ibig sabihin mature is it's about to it's about to take place na. So if you're looking for something to trade or some currency to trade, and then you can set time frame here, and then for this one, I'll just check all the major pairs and the gold. Alright? And then, nakikita natin dito, mayroon na. So, may mga incomplete. Monday kasi, Monday morning. So, hindi pa masyadong look for complete na or mature. Let's say here, mature. Wait for a while. Mature na mga tao. Alright? So, here. Look for higher risk-reward ratio. Like this one, this is good. Perfect. So, GBP, USD, Gartley. Okay. Meron na. Nag-TP na siya. Pero hindi nakuha yung So, hindi nakuha yung entry zone niya. Alright. So, here naman, day. It's a day trade. Okay. So, entry zone nakuha. So, ganito siya. If you're looking for something naman na naging complete na siya at saka naging successful na siya, let's say for example here, naging successful na siya. So, dito, yung entry niya, kinuha yung entry. Ito yung entry zone. This is M5 candle with butterfly. So, 5 minutes lang. Pagpasok, TP1, another 5 minutes, TP2, nakuha niya. So, now, bumalik siya, pero kuha na niya yung, tingnan nyo, very accurate yung target 2. So, kinuha lang niya yung target 2, tapos bumaba. So, ganito ka-accurate yung pattern scanner. So, guys, to explore more about this one, I would suggest to go to ECA. This is your ECA, guys. This is our education. And then it will bring you to another browser because it's different kasi this is more on academy. So, ECA means Economy Calibrated Academy. So, ito po yung while opening the ECA. So, let's check here another example. Guys, may mga failed po. So, hindi po lahat perfect. Let's say this one. Naging failed siya kaya nakuha yung stop loss niya. Pero you don't trade for for failed. Kaya you need to train, may specific training this one on how to do it. Let's say for example this one is complete. Okay. Complete yung entry. This is good, guys. This is good. But hindi siya current. This is GP 225. So this is good just for this example. This is good. Pwede kang pumasok siya sa entry. Tapos since morning naman ngayon, so ibig sabihin open ang Japan session or Tokyo session. So this is good for your entry. Okay guys, we need to explore this one and to attend training this one before you use it. So let's go back to our ECA, yung binuksan ko kanina. Yung kinuha ko dito ECA and then it opens here and then go to ECA. Go to live trading and then live trading go to Forex and then Forex go to Manara. And then Manara, we have 3 options here. Go to Forex Manara trading and go to introduction. So may training siya, guys. Meron siyang introduction, meron siyang advanced, and then meron siyang mga previous sessions niya. So lahat, guys, you have the power to access this one. So I suggest, guys, you explore this one. Actually, this is bootcamp. So this is good, bootcamp. You finish the bootcamp, Manara bootcamp, and then Manara bootcamp. You finish this one so that mas talaga. So daming training, guys. So kahit bootcamp, introduction to bootcamp, then bootcamp 1, bootcamp 2, bootcamp 3, and so on. So alam niyo naman ang sekreto talaga sa Forex is lang. So just click here play. So that's how you access Manara, okay? Pattern scanner. Pattern scanner. So, dito kasi sa training, sinasabi nila ano yung mga pattern na mataas yung win rate at saka ano yung magandang setting para sa iyo. So, guys, thank you so much and God bless.